Hey beauty lovers! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my ultimate guide to perfect eye makeup. This guide is packed with tips and tricks that will elevate your eye makeup game to the next level. Whether you're prepping for a day at work, a casual outing, or a glamorous night out, these tips will have your eyes looking stunning. So, let's dive right in and get started. First up, preparation is key. A well-prepped eyelid is the foundation of any great eye makeup look. Start with a clean slate by using a gentle cleanser to remove any oils or residues from your eyelids. This step ensures that your makeup adheres properly and lasts longer. Next, dab on a hydrating eye cream to keep your skin supple and ready for makeup. This not only moisturizes, but also helps to smooth out any fine lines. And don't forget the primer. A little goes a long way in evening out your eyelid color and ensuring your makeup lasts all day. Primer acts as a base that holds your eyeshadow in place, preventing creasing and fading. Now let's talk tools and products. Having the right tools can make a world of difference in your makeup application. The right brushes can make all the difference. They help in the precise application and blending of your eyeshadows. You'll need a flat shader brush for packing on color, a blending brush for seamless transitions, a crease brush for adding depth, and an angled brush for precision work like eyeliner or brow definition. And your eyeshadow palette? Go for one with both matte and shimmer finishes to maximize versatility. Matte shades are great for creating depth and dimension, while shimmer shades add a touch of sparkle and highlight. Oh, and make sure you have both pencil and gel eyeliners for creating different looks, along with a good mascara to bring it all together. Pencil liners are perfect for a softer look, while gel liners offer more precision and intensity. Moving on to eyeshadow application. Start with a neutral base color all over your eyelid. This sets the stage for the rest of your eyeshadow and helps in blending other colors seamlessly. Then, define your crease with a medium shade to add depth. This step is crucial for creating dimension and making your eyes appear larger. For some drama, apply a darker shade on the outer corners and blend, blend, blend. Blending is key to achieving a professional look, so take your time with it. A touch of shimmer in the inner corners and below your brow bone will brighten up your eyes beautifully. This step adds a pop of light and makes your eyes look more awake. Eyeliner time. Whether you want to go subtle with tight lining or bold with a classic winged look, the choice is yours. Tight lining involves applying eyeliner to the waterline for a natural look, while a winged liner adds a dramatic flair. Just remember to keep your hand steady and the line close to your lashes for the best effect. A steady hand ensures a clean, precise line that enhances your eye shape. Don't forget those lashes. A good curl and a couple of coats of mascara will make your eyes pop. Curling your lashes opens up your eyes, making them appear larger and more awake. Just wiggle the wand from the base to the tips to avoid clumps and give your lashes that voluminous look. This technique ensures even application and separates the lashes for a fuller effect. Finally, let's clean up and set. Cleaning up any smudges ensures a polished, professional finish. A quick swipe with a cotton swab can clean any smudges, and a bit of translucent powder will set your makeup, keeping it perfect all day. Translucent powder helps to absorb excess oil and keeps your makeup in place. A spritz of setting spray seals the deal, and voila, you're done! Setting spray locks in your makeup, ensuring it stays put throughout the day. I hope these tips help you create eye makeup looks that turn heads and boost your confidence. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become at creating stunning eye makeup looks. Catch you next time for more beauty tips and tricks. Stay fabulous and keep experimenting with new looks. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Keep shining, beauties!